Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Barron's Investing Insights app review to save it what you're using. So to get started with a quick in-depth review about Barron. So to get started, Barron's Investment Insights is a mobile app from a renowned weekly Barron financial publication offering a daily market commentary, in-depth analysis, stock pick, and interactive chat. It includes a watchlist features, real-time quotes within articles, PDF editions of print magazines, and intuitive interface reflecting its long-established brand. But it is not perfect. User reports instability like crashes, freezing, poor offline support, limited articles search functions, and a restricted content sharing on print. The content remains strong, but the mobile experience can feel clunky and frustrating at times. So while it delivers a quality insight from a trusted source, interruption or platform frustrations may get it in the way of smooth access. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.